This is another free tool. It is called Free Event Ticket Maker. And using it, you can create event tickets. And to start, simply hit the Fill Example button. It will populate left side values with certain examples. As you can see, the templates, the previews shown on the right side is pre-populated. And now you can change these values according to your desires. And there are a lot of customizations. For example, if you don't like a template, you can choose another. You can also update your color scheme. You can also update your font. For example, if I choose this one, it will be updated. But I don't like this font. Let's choose something more professional. And you can also change the stub side currently shown on the right side. You can change it to show it on the left side. And you can also change the orientation from landscape to portrait. You can also update the size, for example, this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. You can even put custom size, like this width and height can be updated. And you can change the currency. For example, if you are in Britain, you can update that to British pound. And all these values will be changed. And you can update every single thing here. Update the time when the event is going to be organized. You can also generate lots of templates, lots of tickets using this numbered sheet button. And when you click that, it will generate these PDF files. You can download the entire PDF, or you can download the zip file, which will contain 5 PNG images. Then you have to work on all these one by one. You can update, like if you want to create 30 of them, you can update it to 30. And you can change every single thing. And once you're done, simply hit the download button. And if you don't know what does this mean, how to use this tool, you can read this documentation given below. And if you have any confusion, ask in the comment section. By the way, I am building this PinFlow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.